The TP-Link Deco X55 one-pack is a modern mesh Wi-Fi 6 router designed to replace both your traditional router and range extenders. It delivers stable, high-speed internet with seamless coverage, perfect for homes struggling with dead zones or weak signals. Mesh technology for seamless whole-home coverage. Unlike traditional routers, Deco creates a single unified network. Even with one unit, up to 2500 sq.ft, it eliminates dead zones. And you can easily add more Deco units later for full home mesh coverage. Handles many devices, up to 150 plus devices. With technologies like OFDMA and MU-MIMO, it can connect and manage dozens of devices efficiently, ideal for smart homes, families, and heavy internet users. AI-driven mesh and smart optimization. The system uses AI-driven mesh technology to automatically optimize network performance based on your home layout and usage patterns, ensuring stable connectivity everywhere. Easy setup and app control setup is simple using the Deco app, which guides you step by step. You can also monitor devices, set limits, and manage your network remotely from your phone. Overall, the TP-Link Deco X55 one-pack is one of the best budget mesh Wi-Fi 6 systems. It offers fast speed, strong coverage, and seamless connectivity, making it perfect for apartments, medium homes, and users who want to upgrade from a standard router to a modern mesh network.